friends, welcome to video tutorial of WedgeCommerce that helps to build your own e-commerce store native on Salesforce. In this video tutorial, I'll guide you how you need to set up the store admin part of the WedgeCommerce. So let's proceed with the store admin section for the general settings. Under this configuration, click on the store admin and you will be taken to this store admin section in which you will be having these tabs like general, SEO, feature activation, additional features and web analytics. So first of all, I'll proceed with the general tab. Under this section you will see a store manager, price book, account and all sections. So let's proceed quickly to just set up and configure this. For the store manager, you need to define a Salesforce user who will be accountable and who will be owner of all the accounts and the orders created through your website. So I'm just selecting one of my Salesforce existing user. Next, you need to define a store price book. Basically, you need to select a price book, whether it is a standard or a custom that you have created. The price book that you will select and the pricing listed for all the products under this price book will be reflected on the front end on your store. So you need to make sure that you have selected the correct price book. The guest user account, you need to select a account basically over here in which all the guest checkout information like the user information will be created as a contact and the order information will be created as an order under this account. So as I have created one of the account over here labeled as guest user checkouts, so I'll just select that account. Front end default language. You can find all the languages. If you have enabled multi languages in your Salesforce, then you will get all the languages list down over here. As of now it is just populating English, so basically no such language is defined apart from that. So once you will enable the multi-language in your Salesforce, then it will list all the language down here and you can select the default language. Once your website is accessed for the first time, then the site language will be defined based upon the default language that you will select over here. Next option is notification timeout. The notification timeout is basically the timeout that you will allow for the notifications on the front end to stay visible. So I'll just select the 3000 over here, which is in milliseconds. Next is terms and conditions. Terms and conditions is basically an article that you can create under content management article sections, which will be required for any user to agree to that terms and conditions articles, like while the user is processing any transaction or while registering on your website, then these terms and condition articles will be needed to be agreed. So as I have created one of that, so I'll just select the terms and condition. If you want to have the robot.txt feature in your site, then you may avail and just allow all the things over here and you can avail in your desired way. As I have done with this general tab, I'll proceed with the SEO part, SEO tab down here. So just click on the SEO. Over here you can see we have a site URL. So you need to define the URL like if you have created a site or a community for the WedgeCommerce site. So I'll go quickly in Salesforce. You will go through the video tutorial how you need to just create a site or community for the WedgeCommerce site that you will create. So you will get to know about that in that video tutorial. So as I have created this site, then I'll simply copy it and you need to paste it in the site URL option. Further, the site homepage title. This option allows you to just select your own title of your homepage, as I have opted like this. You need to just mention if you want to have a better SEO optimization for your store, so you need to just define the meta keywords and the meta description. So let me quickly go through it. So as you can see, I have updated the meta keywords using the commas over here. So and so on, you can add it as many you want, and further you can have the set meta description and you can just update it accordingly. So like I have updated the general tab, and also I have updated the SEO part as well. So I'll further proceed to just save this. So now you can see the settings has been saved successfully. So as we are done with this store admin part for the general settings and the SEO part, in the next video tutorial you will get to know how you need to enable the additional features, web analytics and all. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for using WedgeCommerce.